Fitz-Gerald Group Principal Keith Fitz-Gerald. Keith, hello. I'm not used to seeing you this time of day. We just heard from Sam Altman. Do you think OpenAI is winning the AI race, or is it still too close to call with all the competition?
I think it's a great question. It's too close to call, but the exciting part is the development is accelerating at a pace that was just previously unimaginable even 12 months ago. So I'm very, very excited to see where this goes.
I know, and now there's Mark Zuckerberg's super intelligence, where the AI is smarter than the human being, and everyone's getting scared, but I'm like, the future is here. What are we going to do about it, right?
Well, that's the thing. You know, the devil's in the details, and this could be a good thing. This could be a bad thing. I submit we're going to triumph. We're going to be optimistic. We're going to move through it and harness it the way humanity deserves.
You know, Apple has largely been left out of this AI craze. You know, Dan Ives of Wedbush says they need to buy an AI company in order to keep up and then eventually do it better than the competition. But Apple this week on their major investment in U.S. manufacturing and factories here at home to build parts of the iPhone. I mean, they're having their best week in 4 years.
I know. How cool is that? Apple has been its most dangerous when it's been quiet and people write it off. And I think we're seeing a great rebound into that, just like we did before the iPhone, the iPad, you know, any number of Apple devices. So to me, they are not out of the AI game. In fact, they couldn't do a lot of what they're doing now if they didn't have some version of that running in the background. So respectfully, I'll disagree with my friend and colleague, Dan.
I like that. But do you think that Apple will ever make the iPhone right here in the U.S. or just parts of it?
It's hard to say. You know, the move is huge because this is going to affect hundreds of thousands of jobs, every last component, except for being screwed together. So that means the glass on every device around the world is going to be made right here in this country. I think if we can get a lot of the things, you know, labor rates, controls, insurance costs, litigation, any number of things that impact the business coming to America, I think we will ultimately see some version of it made here.
All right. Palantir, this is the new buzzy stock. I mean, if you look at it over the past 52 weeks, it's up 520+%. Keith, I mean, I get it. I mean, they do big data. They have corporate clients. They have the government as a client. Would you still put money in at this level, or do you think the valuation's a little bit too high?
There is no question I would put money in, and I am not selling my shares either, because this company is becoming the infrastructure. When you have something that can take data that was previously siloed, put a layer of thing on top, ontology and LLM, and actually derive actionable, decisionable information that makes your business more efficient, produces more revenue, that's truly a win. And the competition cannot keep up, at least not yet anyway.
Keith Fitz-Gerald, thank you for the time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.